Good morning. So this is a room tour of the Greenwich Premier Inn. We are on the 4th floor in room 401. And this is it a family room, I think? Yeah. So we have unpacked a little bit, so I'll just screw some of the mess. So as you first come in, you've got 3 coat hangers, which have been really handy because we can hang our coats. And I've been putting our shoes underneath as well. Then you've got hairdryer hair facility with 2 plug sockets under there. You've got a light here which controls this kind of makeup kind of hair mirror. Full length mirror opposite the coats. Then bathroom in here. So it's not the most modern one, but you've got big mirror, spotlights, sink. Obviously you've got a toilet. Then you've got shower. That was with the towels of the board showers, so I'm leaving today, so we've not put them back up there. Shower head, I mean it's actually Ballis and Harding, so that's Ballis and Harding hair and body wash, and this was Ballis and Harding luxury hand wash to wash your hands with, which I do prefer that instead of like actual soap. And then there is a drawer down there, spare towel, which has got a little bit of our stuff. They've got hanging space up there, and there was an extra pillow in this bag up top. Then you've got a bin, another little shelf. You've got 2 mugs and a glass, tea and coffee facilities, TV. So I was watching Mr. Bean. What, sorry? Tiny TV, yeah. It's really small, the TV. Probably doesn't look that small on the camera, but it's really small. You've got a lamp and a nice desk area with a chair. And then we don't have an interconnected room, we've just got the door there, so we've just been storing our cases there. Then this is Matilda's bed. This is because there's 3 of us in the room. So this, I think, is normally a sofa in these rooms. Then the window, our view is just literally of an apartment block opposite us, isn't it? Then we've got plug socket under here and a little space, like a little cubby hole under there on the bedside table. Then we've got the master bed. I think it's a double, isn't it? Yeah. I don't think it's bigger than a double, is it? You've got lamps either side of the bed, and they both can control the main light as well, can't they, from your bed? Yeah. And then cubby hole there, but you had no plug socket under yours, did you? Which I think is strange. I think both sides should have plug sockets when you're doing, when you're sleeping, so you both want a plug socket to plug your phones in at night time. But it is still that kind of premium purpley colour, isn't it? Purpley curtains, purpley photos. Oh, it's got air conditioning there. Sorry, that was just like a kind of a whip round again. So as you can see, doors, you've got coat, mirror, storage, tea, coffee, desk, Tilda's bed, our bed, back to the bathroom, and then to the front. And I actually think I've shown you everything. That was like, seems really quick, but I've been through everything. So thank you for watching. I've been Laura from Mohana of 3, and bye for now.